is to go back to the standing orders of Meru County and refer to standing order number 90. Standing order number 90, it is a standing order for Meru County Assembly. The import of that standing order has a bearing and a grave bearing to the proceedings that we have today. In the wisdom of the County Assembly of Meru, they made that law and gave it to themselves, that it shall bind the County Assembly. It cannot be run away from. It is the supreme law of this County Assembly. It has not been repealed. It has not been varied. It has not been deleted. It is currently the law of this assembly. What does it say? Mr. Speaker, sir, it reads matter sub judice or secret. And 91 says, subject to paragraph 5, no member shall refer to any particular matter which is sub judice, or which by the operation of any written law is secret. We delete secret. It's no longer a secret question, it is sub judice. And the honorable members of Meru County Assembly defined what sub judice is in sub-rule 2. A matter shall be considered to be sub judice when it refers to an active criminal or civil proceedings, and the discussion of such matter is likely to prejudice its fair determination.